Greetings! BLUETTI is one of the premier power station brands. They're offering some great deals up to 70% off on their best-selling products during this Amazon Prime Big Deal Days event. Let's check them out.
HOBOTECH.
Now for this sales event, BLUETTI's advertised list is somewhat brief. All the prices mentioned include either the built-in Amazon coupon code or the special discount code that'll be provided in the description of this video. So let's start off with the new Elite 100 V2 power station, which was a direct replacement to their outgoing AC 180 best-selling budget model. This one I reviewed in July and was very impressed by it. It's super lightweight and compact at only 25 pounds with a 1 kilowatt hour lithium iron phosphate battery and 1800 watt pure sine inverter. It's a nice big bright display, a massive 1000 watt MPPT solar controller, which is huge for something of this size. It charges ridiculously fast from both AC and solar, and inside the app you can unlock fast 12 volt charging as well. It packs a state-of-the-art 140 watt USB-C power delivery port, a regulated 12 volt output socket including 5521 barrel plugs, an app that supports both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and can be physically disabled if desired. It's pretty much the most well-rounded budget 1800 watt power station available today. I do have to mention that the only test that originally failed was starting up my mechanical 5000 BTU air conditioner that's behind me, and BLUETTI promptly after that video released updated firmware to fix that problem. So this tiny mid-sized bargain basement power station can now start and run air conditioners up to 9000 BTU with its 3600 watt surge ability. The best part is the Prime Big Deal Day price of $399, which after a HOBO exclusive code drops that to $379. That's an amazing 37 cents per watt hour, probably one of the best, if not the best, budget 1800 watt buys this season. So if you're looking to just get started with solar and power stations, the entry doesn't get any more entry level than this. It is a highly recommended buy. Did I mention it also has a built-in fast UPS mode for keeping your electronics and computers online when the power goes out? Yep, $379. Next up, the AC200L is BLUETTI's lowest priced mid-size unit that supports battery expansion up to 8 kilowatt hours. It sports a 2048 watt hour LFP battery right out of the box, along with a very beefy 2400 watt pure sine inverter. This power station is large enough to start large electric motors like an air compressor or large home refrigerator without any issues. If you have a 120 volt well pump, it can run that too, along with the largest of the microwave ovens, along with virtually any 120 volt kitchen appliance. This model also has the coveted built-in TT30R 30 amp RV hookup and is powerful enough to run just about anything in your RV. Along with battery expansion ports, this big BLUETTI has a built-in 1200 watt high voltage MPPT solar controller that can handle large solar panels in series. This gives you a lot of charging options as it also charges from AC in about 90 minutes. Coming in at around 62 pounds, it's still very tossable and easily manageable for camping situations or if you need to carry it up and down stairs. Unique to the AC200L is BLUETTI's 48 volt expansion port that lets you charge external batteries if you decide to purchase their adapter box. Coming in at $699 or $664 with my code, you get a heck of a lot of bang for your buck at an insane 32 cents per watt hour. This is also BLUETTI's best deal per watt hour during the fall prime sale. Now say you just need basic power but don't want to spend over 200 bucks. The new 288 watt hour Elite 30 V2 is for you. I reviewed this model in July and again the Elite impressed. This model replaces the obsolete EV3A and fixes all the problems that model had with the UPS mode. This one has a rocket fast 10 millisecond UPS that I did test in several scenarios and it passed them all with flying colors, so no problems. It packs a 600 watt pure sine inverter that's amazingly quiet, and this thing weighs only 10 pounds. It AC charges super fast in under 70 minutes and packs a 200 watt MPPT controller for solar charging in under 2 hours. You still get the regulated 12 volt output socket with 5521 barrel plugs, The new standard high-speed 140-watt USB-C power delivery port, which is great if you have a modern laptop. Both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth app support that can be physically disabled if desired. It's basically just a smaller version of the Elite 100. Now it's on fall prime sale for $189 or $179 with my code. And while it's not going to run a refrigerator, it can keep a Starlink satellite or cable modem online and keep cell phones charged during an extended outage so that you can at least keep in touch with loved ones. So if you're looking for that perfect gift for someone that lives in areas of extreme weather or suffers from routine power outages or lives in California, this is it. Now on to my new favorite BLUETTI flagship, the 3840 watt-hour Apex 300. This thing is the most BLUETTI of BLUETTIs, if you know what I mean. Just look at it. Their form factor is unique, and this Apex is a major upgrade to their aged-out AC300. This one-piece unit is lighter and includes a compact 2765 watt-hour LFP battery that's actually inside, while still being expandable externally, with additional B300K batteries of the same size up to 58 kilowatt hours. The new batteries are easier to manage, if a bummer that they removed all the extra features to keep them smaller, lighter, and cheaper. BLUETTI does know their customer base, and they know how super sensitive they are about price, so now they offer many stripped down models to keep those costs as low as possible. Now, however slimmed down, the Apex 300 is still action-packed with features. The biggest new feature being 240-volt split-face operation built inside a single unit. That means for the first time ever in BLUETTI's history, you don't need two BLUETTIs with a special combiner box to run 240-volt appliances or hook into your home wiring. I did a full review of the Apex 300 back in May, and the only letdowns were the total lack of DC output and the limited built-in 60-volt MPPT solar controller, but both shortcomings that can be resolved with add-on accessories from their extensive BLUETTI catalog. In other words, this is BLUETTI's kind of truly first modular home backup power station designed to keep the price of entry low while being future scalable. That price of entry is only $14.99 or $14.24 with my code. That's 51 cents per watt hour. Note that up to 3 Apex 300s can be hooked together to triple both the output power and battery capacity, making this a truly scalable solution for your home. Now, there are 2 additional bundles with the Apex 300. The first includes a pair of 200-watt solar panels for $17.99 or $17.09 with code. This would be a good choice to start out with if you don't have any solar panels of your own. Last but not least, the Apex 300 bundled with a B300K external battery for double the battery capacity. That's 340 watts of inverter output with 5.5 kilowatt hours of battery storage. This is $24.28 or $23.06 with code. Now this brings the price down to 41 cents per watt hour, making it what I believe the best BLUETTI bang for the buck battery backup you can buy. Because it's over 3 kilowatt hours, that also means this is the only BLUETTI on the list that will qualify for the 30% federal tax credit that may be disappearing at the end of this year. So if you've been thinking about installing a battery backup system in your home, now's the time. Check with your tax professional to find out if Uncle Sam might owe you for a change. Now, I've done in-depth reviews of all these BLUETTI power stations, so if you want more details on any single product and how to disable the wireless if it's possible, be sure to check out the playlist link provided in the description of this video, or just simply use the YouTube search engine to search for the model name plus the word HOBOTECH, and that should pretty much instantly take you to my review of that product. Of course, I'm going to provide links in the description to all the BLUETTI Fall Prime Day deals along with the relevant discount codes. I'm also going to pin them in a comment. The global link to BLUETTI's sale page is also going to be up here on screen along with a QR code that you can scan if you're watching me on TV. Take you on over to the BLUETTI store page where you can check out these amazing Fall Prime deals. Using the provided links does keep HOBOTECH online and bringing you these amazing offers. It also keeps Odin's cat box filled with fresh litter, so we both appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and until next time.
Odin commands you to like and subscribe, and clean my litter box.